Imagine holding an impossibly small, paper-thin sheet of glass in one hand that possesses more raw, desktop-tier computing muscle than a fully loaded MacBook Pro from just a couple of years ago. A device so compact it slips effortlessly into a jacket pocket, yet so technologically advanced that it fundamentally alters everything we know about mobile computing. For years, the tech industry has treated small-screen tablets as an afterthought, using the compact size as an excuse to clear out old parts, throttle performance, and sell a compromised low-tier experience to casual users. But the entire paradigm has been violently disrupted. With the arrival of the Apple iPad mini M5, Apple didn't just update a product lineup. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. They packed an uncompromised, flagship-tier desktop engine directly into a handheld ultra-portable chassis, completely shifting the balance of power in the mobile ecosystem. If you are listening to this right now, you are probably trying to make a highly critical digital decision. You might be a creative professional who is completely exhausted by carrying heavy laptop bags but still requires elite-tier computing to edit 4K or 8K video, run heavy 3D rendering engines, or manage massive multi-layered graphic designs on the go. You might be a student looking for the ultimate digital notebook that can handle intensive reading, complex handwritten math equations, and multitasking without a single micro-stutter. Or perhaps you are simply a technology purist who demands the absolute peak of mobile engineering, wanting a device that feels blindingly responsive today and remains completely future-proof for the next 5 to 7 years. Whatever your unique scenario, the iPad mini M5 forces us to look past standard tech review talking points and answer a massive, uncomfortable question. Is this truly the most perfect, versatile ultra-portable workstation ever created, or is there a hidden catch that Apple is desperately hoping you won't notice until after you open the box? To truly comprehend why the tech community is in an absolute frenzy over this machine, we have to look past the beautiful aluminum exterior and explore the monumental silicon architecture driving this device. The transition to the M5 platform represents a massive shift in how small-screen hardware operates. We aren't talking about a minor clock speed increase or a generic software patch. The integration of the M5 chip inside the iPad mini means this device uses the exact same foundational processor architecture found in Apple's top-tier professional desktop computers. Built on an incredibly advanced, ultra-dense nanometer manufacturing process, this piece of silicon crams billions of transistors into a space smaller than a stamp, managing power and heat with absolute, surgical precision. What this translates to in your actual daily life is a level of responsiveness that feels almost telepathic. When you tap an application, it doesn't boot up, it is instantly open. When you scroll through dense, data-heavy web pages or flip through complex digital documents, the screen moves with an absolute, glassy smoothness, tracking the precise movement of your finger down to the millisecond. The processing architecture intelligently splits tasks between raw power cores and high-efficiency cores. When you are performing basic tasks like reading an ebook, replying to emails, or streaming high-definition content, the iPad mini M5 draws an incredibly tiny sip of power, running completely cool to the touch and maintaining incredible battery endurance. But the exact microsecond you throw a brutal workstation load at it, whether that is rendering a complex motion graphic, processing code, or exporting a massive project file, the high-performance cores engage with absolute fury, delivering desktop-grade performance.